In this video, we'll show you how to fix the issue of your USB Type-C headphones or earphones not being recognized. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You might run into this problem while playing audio when you plug in your headphones. The sound doesn't come through, and if you try adjusting the volume, the icon doesn't change. Normally, when you plug in headphones, the volume icon should update to show the headphones symbol. But that's not happening here. To fix this, the first thing you'll need to do is open your phone settings. Scroll down a bit until you find the Developer Options section. Once you're in Developer Options, keep scrolling until you see the Media section. In this section, look for an option called Disable USB Audio Routing. If it's turned on, go ahead and turn it off. Now, exit the settings and plug your headphones back in. Try playing some audio or adjust the volume. And you should see the headphone icon appear, indicating that the device has detected them properly. And that's it. Your headphones should now be ready to use.